Hey everybody, it's Brittany, and I am here with the Mind's Eye Tarot by Olivia Rose. I recently picked this deck up from Barnes & Noble. I absolutely love the artwork. I have been following this artist on Instagram, and I know that there is also a Oracle deck. I think it's called the Mermaid's Purse, I believe. I think that was from a Kickstarter though. This is a mass market tarot deck from US Game System. I have not went through the cards yet, but I did take the plastic off the box. And I'm really excited to get into this with everybody. Very nice thick book. Ooh, and it's full color. I love that. Okay, we'll get into that shortly. And oops, I forgot to take the plastic off. Okay, 1 second. All right, got it. Sorry about that. I just did not want y'all to see me struggle with plastic. So it is pretty gold edging. I mean, I just took it out of the plastic, so I don't mind gilding. I know some people do, so okay. And these are the backs. You would think this is my first time doing one of these. Okay, let's, if I can get this on, all right, and get into it. Let's get into it. Pretty backs. Love the gold, definitely fits. So we have the Fool. I love how there's an eye in the sun. Look at that. And then there's something over her eye, and then the throat. There is a lot to look into. Look at all the eyes. These look like sunflowers. Wow, so much to look into. Let me see if I can. How's that? Better? Okay. The Magician. Lots of eyes. It seems going to be very repeating. And all of these eyes are round, and her eyes are closed. Let's see. No, hers are open. Interesting. The High Priestess. Almost like a third eye. Looks very watery. Intuition, the flow. We have the pillars. The Empress. Looking directly at you, head on. Eyes are closed again. I find it interesting how so far they're all facing, like the Fool. Emperor's facing at you, but their eyes are closed. Empress is facing at you with her eyes open. Another one going to the left. It's very interesting, I think. that's some beautiful lovers. One person's eyes are closed and the other open. I love how it looks like the angel wings wrapped around them. Ooh, it's getting slippery. Ooh, nope, that's weird. Don't stop slipping. And the chariots, all these pretty stars. Almost looks like an owl. It's like the ribbon, you could like pull it to stop yourself. You have the power of control. So beautiful, all the symbols that you can find. Given that hibernation, the hermit, almost like they're in water, and that's like seaweed, and there's bubbles, and then there's the light and the darkness. Love the snake. I love Wheel of Fortunes when they have snakes. Justice. Again, our eyes are closed, but look, they have the flowers with the eyes. Like they're peering into you. And then the third eye is the one that's open. Pretty cool. Oh, I love this death card. I love this. I am really interested to see how the minors are and what a reading is going to look like with this deck. I have no clue how it's going to go, but beautiful. So every card so far, especially, well, we're only in the major, there's definitely a more female presence. Well, I think, what, other than maybe the Emperor, I feel like it's all women, which does not bother me at all. I know that can bother some, but oh, this card, oh, this is the reason I was drawn to this deck. The star. Oh, gorgeous. And the moon. Ooh, they look beautiful next to each other. I love the way it was like painted. It seems like there's texture, you know, in when you can see the brush strokes. I love that. That full on sun. Judgment has to have that horn. My eyes and the headpiece. The wings. An angel. It's very ethereal so far, I feel like. So I'm really interested to get into the minors because I have no idea what the minors are gonna be like. Beautiful world. Look. You have all the animals. Protecting. Love it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's straighten this up. It is very slippery, which can be a good thing when you try to shuffle. It's very malleable. Alright. Oh, wait, did I? Yeah, okay, that's the tower. Alright, it must have, like, flew out. Okay. Ace. Interesting. So yeah, so far it looks like there is a womanly figure in almost all of the cards so far. I love the wings for the Three of Wands, so like that taking flight, the exploring, the new adventures, the going somewheres that inspires you, taking off. I like that. Definitely gives off like celebration wedding vibes for the 4. All those eyes. It's interesting that it's the 5 of Wands, but there seems to be 6 eyes. But there are only 5 wands, so that's good. Defending yourself. I do feel like the minors seem to be pretty I wouldn't say standard, but you know, recognizable for sure, which is great for me to be able to read with it. I like that. I love all of the colors. The wings are tied down. Oh, that's very interesting. Even like there's an eye, the wings down, and her eyes are closed. We got the page. Very, like, look like there's definitely a lot of bugs, so it makes it seem like all of these creatures are like really small, you know, in our world. Definitely fae. There's a fae element to the cards. King and queen together. I love looking at kings and queens side by side. Doesn't even look like he has eyes at all, except for interesting. Okay, now we're on to cups. I love that. That's really cool. I love all the spirals. One of my favorite cards always is the Two of Cups. They look kind of mean, like they're judging. Don't judge me. Yeah, I find this is very much Rider-Waite-Smith. So far seems pretty straightforward. Has a bit of that beautiful, ethereal, creepy element with the eyes everywhere. I love the rainbow of cups. Always love when there's a fish in a cup for the Page of Cups. I don't know, I just love that. Beautiful mermaids. I like how the knights, like this one looks like it's riding an eagle, and in the wands it was like a bug. It looked like maybe a rhinoceros beetle. I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't know my beetles or bugs very well, so. But I thought that was interesting that there's always a different animal they seem to be riding, which is cool. The king. I love how his eyes are covered. It's definitely something in that you can take with this deck. I gotta stop mentioning it because I keep doing it. Love it. Oh. Okay, we got the swords. The sun in the background. Giving that clarity with the fog. Sorry. It almost looks like, I thought maybe that was like blood, but it looks like a ribbon, like ribbon tying her hands. And interesting. It does look like the eyes are crying. Oh, that's heartbreaking. Looks like you just have way too much baggage. You're about to go under, huh? I love how the smoke is curling around. That's cool. I almost feel like somebody's watching me. Definitely nightmarish cards, for sure. She looks so peaceful though, if it wasn't for all this word in her back. I love the clouds and like the fog. Very fitting. I'd be riding looks like a raven. A bunch of eyes. Ooh. Okay, I like that they're like facing each other. Yes. Are all the kings so far their eyes covered? Well, I'll do that after. I'll put this to the side and put the rest to the side so we can check it out. Because I think that would be really interesting if all the kings had their eyes completely covered. Can't find the King of Cups. Oh, here it is. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, that's beautiful. Get that balance. I love that there's a plant and the pentacles are like coming out of the plant. It gives you that like growth. Planting those seeds, protecting your money. It seems like a very cheerful Five of Pentacles, but it's like she sees the sun, so she knows that she's going into the right direction. And this one just has like a blind faith, and you could tell that they're coming out of something dark because you see those like tentacles almost behind them trying to grab them again, and she's has that faith to follow, and they're going into a better direction. That's a very hopeful Five of Pentacles. I like that. Oh, I do like that there are... Oh no, there's only 6. I thought maybe there were 7. But that's pretty. Oh, goodness, they are so slippery. Like a dragonfly or a butterfly. Interesting for the pentacles. Ooh, I love the wings. So yeah, it looks like they're all either eyes are closed or hidden, which is really interesting and cool. So let's shuffle this deck up and pick a few from the deck to look at the guidebook. Has a good shuffle. It's okay if we get them reversed. Nice. Very nice. One more. We'll pick 2. Ace of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. Interesting. That's the Wands. Ace of Swords has a big, beautiful image on the side. And it says, the suit of swords relates to the element air and rules over the intellect, communication, decision-making, perception, and reason. All stuff pretty generic. As the first card of the air element, the Ace of Swords represents enlightenment, victory, and professional triumph. The sun is radiating powerful, triumphant energy on the sword. It is proudly pierces the clouds. This card tells you that you may be on the verge of a breakthrough, and it could also be a good time to start a new project. Okay, upright, willpower, confidence, victory, triumph, reverse, confusion, ignorance, miscommunication. And then let's see with the 2 of Pentacles. I'm a little sad that they don't go into more on the arts. Oh, there's that 5. Sort of. This one does. Oh yeah, that's very hopeful. But sorry, I got sidetracked. The 2 of Pentacles card shows a woman holding 2 pentacles as if to weigh them. She has decisions to make and is concentrating on making the right choices. This card tells you that with focus, attention, and care, you can make the right decisions to maintain harmony in your life. Upright, balance, adaptability, flexibility, equilibrium, reversed, chaos, imbalance, being overwhelmed. So there is a little bit on what you're seeing. I just wish, I wish there was more. I wish there was more. But that's just a personal thing. So we got the major, we got the minor. Do we have anything else? Does it come with? It does. Cool. 3-card spread. Hindsight, insight, foresight. And then it has about the artist. And then some notes. I like that. I like when there are notes in the back. I don't ever use them, but it's nice that they give you the option. So that is the Mind's Eye Tarot by Olivia Rose. It's beautiful and colorful. It shuffles great. I find the eyes can be a little disturbing, but it might be because it needs to be. You know, it's not, I'm not saying that in a negative way at all. I get the feeling that this is definitely a look within yourself kind of deck. And I really love this stunning way that Olivia Rose draws. It's very beautiful, and I know I've said the word ethereal a bunch, but I just get that kind of vibe from it. I love all the mermaids. I probably would like that mermaid's purse oracle. I need to look into that. Let's see. We got the 5 of Cups, 8 of Cups, and the Star. Just wanted to end this on a quick little card pull. I love that they're first looking in opposite directions, so you definitely get that kind of not seeing things clearly, maybe some miscommunication, especially with cups and emotions. Two people possibly who are in the same household but having completely different emotions to the same situation. You know, kind of like siblings. Their parents say something to them and they both are taking it two completely different ways, possibly. And then ending with that star, that hope, the coming together, that it's going to have a better outcome if you just keep going with that flow. And it all has water, which is so interesting. And it's like she's higher up in it, maybe feeling more overwhelmed, more like she's drowning, and then it's starting to come down. You're starting to find your way out, getting out of it, and then it's everything you could have wished for. It will be worth it. The struggle, you will come out, you will see the light, you will follow that star, and be put on the path that you were meant to be. So that was just a quick reading to end up the day. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing of the Mind's Eye Tarot by Olivia Rose. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.